Hey, listen.
How's it going, guys? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. Hope we're all well. Hope we've had a good day. So straight over to the Bitcoin chart. So as per my video this morning, I'm looking for a big move up here. We're getting very close to that DMT buy line where the bot is going to enter a buy trade. So just over 10,400, and we're very close to that. So I mean, even if we get wicked above there and then come back down, I can't see us not entering a trade. But yeah, it's looking bullish. We get through there, we get through 10,500, 10,550, this peak here, then I think we're gonna be triggering some stop outs there, and there's some liquidity up here basically. So I'm feeling good about that. I reckon that might happen soon. So in my main account, I've taken 3 trades. I bought at 10,200, 10,220, and then I also on one of these breakups here, I think I FOMO'd in a bit extra at 10,300, 10,305, I think. So out of my four quarters, I normally enter my positions in quarter sizes. So out of my 4 quarters, I'm in 3/4 of a position there. But I'm happy with that anyway, because I know the bot's gonna, if we do break up, the bot's gonna take a position as well. But yeah, so those positions are looking all right. Those positions are looking good. So yeah, so my average entry on one of them is 10,255, and the other one is 10,205. So we'll see what happens with those trades. But there's not much to say really, other than, as you can see, if you were still holding this short, obviously I told you guys I got out of it after this wick up and wick down. Like, that was just, I was gonna let the market settle down really. So I'm out of that short. But if you were still in the short, with the new settings, you would have been out almost straight away. But if you didn't, I put those new settings in afterwards. Those slightly shorter take profits, just on the basis that I think shorts will underperform because we're bullish overall. So you can see we're getting close to this. So yeah, you'll be getting close to actually you stop out and go long. So if you want to work out what that stop out would have been if we get there, the line is 1.35. Obviously, if we get a spike up, and so it'd be where the next candle closes. So it could be anywhere. I mean, you'd have hoped it would be less than a 2% stop. But that isn't the case with our bot at the moment. Obviously, you know what I did with the trade. Over to Ethereum. Ethereum also looking very strong as well. I mean, after those wicks down, it's higher than that. Ethereum's looking very strong. So it may be that they're pumping that. So yeah, this is the address where a lot. If I just bring this over for you guys to see, this is the address where a lot of the plus token scam Ethereum is being kept. So if they are using their capital from liquidated Bitcoin to bid up the price on whatever a leveraged exchange they're doing that on, once this Ethereum starts to move, that could signal a bit of a top, and they're going to start selling that into the market, like was possibly the case around the 14k level when they were selling that Bitcoin into the market on every rally then. So that's that address. So just if you guys want to, I'll copy and paste this link into the description so you guys can monitor that address if you want. I think it's pretty important to check what's going on with that. But so Ethereum can only come into a sell trade. I mean, if we do break under, it's currently at 260. If we do break under there, I mean, I think we will be coming lower. But ideally, this market will just keep going up. We're in ideally we'll get into the Bitcoin long. We'll get up to 11 and a half, 12k. That's it. That's what I'm looking for at the moment. But so if that happens, the sell line will come up, and then wherever we get the retrace from, we'll probably enter some shorts there. So that's it really. So hope you guys have got a good weekend planning. I've got a few bits on this weekend. I'm looking forward to this weekend. Valentine's Day today, so got to write in some cards and I'm pretty positive about the market. I think Bitcoin could be this is the difficult level that we're at in Bitcoin. It's a difficult level, and we are, like I was saying in the other videos, we're hanging around these highs. We're squeezing up. We're getting some not big sells, but we're getting big sell clips come through. A lot of the big trades tend to be sells, and they are not forcing the price down. So, I mean, obviously the funding is quite high, so they very easily could be selling into the funding, selling in to get the funding, and they could be buying on spot and hedging the position. That's a possibility. Funding is high. But yeah, so yeah, it looks like we're having a squeeze up now. 13, 10, 10.374. So I think the actual buy line here is 10.416. So we'll have to close above there. Then on the next candle close, we will enter a long. So I mean, we could wick above, come back down. We could enter in a long under sub 10,400. That I think is the most likely scenario. I don't think we're just gonna go bang and spike up straight away. I mean, I think we'll edge our way. We'll maybe play around the range of 10,400 to 10,500, just over, and then once we break through 10,550, I think 600, 700, maybe even 800, 900 could come pretty quick, similar to this candle here. So hopefully similar to this trade here. As you can see, I mean, it went from where we were when we broke out, went from about 9,900 to 10,000 for, yeah, it's about a $500 candle. So $500 candle from, if we're breaking around 10,500, take us to 11k. So that's what I'm thinking, guys. Yeah, just so I know there's people listening, there's people out there. Feel free to leave a comment, ask me a question, ask me anything. Anything. It's useful to have the comments in there, and I'm happy for you to ask me anything, and I'm happy to reply. So yeah, thanks a lot for listening to this video, guys. Yeah, if you can like and subscribe the video, that would be fantastic. And that's it. Yeah, so remember, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. All that disclaimers in the description. So yeah, so just yeah, shoot some questions over, guys. Let me know what you're thinking about, where you think the market's going. Do you think I'm just a lunatic thinking we're going to break up here, or do you think we are going to just fail at this resistance? What do you guys think? Cool. I'll speak to you guys later.